Hello friends, welcome to this video. I am Vishal Wadkar. I will discuss about laboratory experiments through the virtual lab. As we all are aware that in this lockdown period all activities are being stopped, but the teaching learning process is not stopped. All the faculty members have provided learning material through the digital platform, but these contents will cover only theory of different subjects. The laboratory part is very important to all the academic activities. This video is about covering that part, that how to conduct practicals through the virtual lab. So first thing, search VLab in Google. So we will get the results. First is virtual labs, that is web page is there, vlab.co.in. Just we will visit this. The virtual lab is an initiative of Ministry of HRD under the National Mission on Education through the ICT. When you will visit this website, you will get objectives, then the philosophy, and then salient features of the virtual lab. We will go directly to the next point, that is broad areas of virtual lab. There are total 9 areas. In each area there are many labs. Suppose we are considering electrical engineering. Whenever we are visiting electrical engineering virtual lab page, then on left side you will find virtual laboratory names, and on the right side you will find participating institute which has developed this laboratory. Consider I am opening this high voltage laboratory which is developed by IIT Kharagpur. Then you will see introduction of high voltage laboratory. On next tab the list of experiments is given. If you are clicking on any one experiment, here first experiment is selected, that is study of impulse voltage generator. When you are clicking that one, then you will find introduction of that experiment, then theory related to that experiment, objectives to perform this experiment. Next is simulator, procedure to perform that experiment, and applications, etc. So here I am going to electrical machines lab, which is developed by IIT Guwahati, and I will show how to perform one experiment. Here list of experiments is given related to electrical machine subject. In that, first experiment is magnetic field behavior in single coil. So if we visit this, then new web page is open. Here objectives and overview is given regarding this experiment. Then theory is given regarding that experiment. Here right hand thumb rule and all are given. Next point is procedure to perform that experiment, and I am opening the simulator in next window, another window. So we will go as per the procedure. The first point is connect the terminals of the coil to the power supply. Here one coil is given. We will connect the supply to that coil. The second point is connect the Hall sensor to the oscilloscope. So this is Hall sensor. We will connect this to oscilloscope. Next point is check the connection. So here we can check the connections. The message comes that connections are right. We will click on OK. The next point is switch on the MCB. So here LED is off. If we switch on this MCB, then that glows. Next, change the voltage to see the mathematical representation on black screen, graph in oscilloscope, and formation of flux lines in white screen. So if we change this voltage, then we get this mathematical representation here in white screen, formation of flux lines, and here graph. Here you can see the direction of current flow. Last step is regarding polarity. We can change the polarity by which the direction of current flow changes, location of poles changes, and mathematical model or representation also changes. So you can see that by changing the polarity. The direction of current flow is changed. Here graph is also changed. Poles are interchanged and mathematical representation also changed. Thanks for this watching video. Thank you.